Next, unscrew the CD-ROM. Its screws are located on the upper left and right of the system unit. Again, use the proper screwdriver to prevent loss thread. Then, after you unscrew the CD-ROM, push it from the inside. Then, in the lower front part of the system unit, unscrew the hard disk drive. Like CD-ROM, its screws are also located inside of system unit but in lower. Lastly, remove the video card and Ethernet that is attached in the motherboard. There are 7 screws that supports the motherboard. Unscrew it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. You can subscribe to my official YouTube channel, Nick Morpher.